Hey guys, welcome, and I'm going to do a quick run through on everything that we have here in the membership area, including your builder account right here is where you'll click to get that, our YouTube channel, our Facebook group. Here's a website builder that we use to pretty much market all of our stuff. It's a great little value. Here is the download previewer. Okay, so you're going to want to get on your phone and log into your membership area and click that button. That way, when you're building your apps, you can actually preview them on a telephone, on a cell phone, while you're actually building them instead of having to wait till it's published, which is a great feature. So let's just jump right in. Let's get started. This is the meats and potatoes. So you are going to do this one at a time, and you are going to look at your app builder as you watch the videos. Very simple. This one will walk you through something, this one will walk you through something, so on and so on. So you can pause the videos and do what it tells you to do. Okay, very simple. Down here is the ClickBank features. This shows you a little few things that I loved about ClickBank and some of the affiliates that I use to make really good money and residual income. Game apps, what it's going to do is show you how to structure a game app and build one inside of App Builder. So that's a pretty cool feature also. And then of course free bonuses that I'm giving everyone just for trying it out. So welcome. If there's any questions, make sure you hit the support up here and give us a call, or just drop us an email at appbuilderpro411@gmail.com, and we will get back to you as soon as we can. So welcome everyone. I hope everybody starts making great money, because if you listen to these videos and do what we say, you will make money. I guarantee it. Thanks, and have a wonderful day, guys.